So as a wound care therapist, I take this with me everywhere. I was given this to review by the company for this video, and this has been one of my most used items in my home. This has multiple layers here that you can adjust to whatever your preference is for how many supplies that you have. And it's adjustable by just latching and unlatching each section and then removing it and then replacing it with the one from right above. Everything is secured in a dry environment. It's easy to fit right in your car. This isn't large at all. The best thing is you have a ton of storage in here. I'm able to store a bunch of bandages, a blood pressure cuff machine, a bunch of different items so that I can be prepared for each patient visit. You also have a pill organizer here, labeled in a different color. Each section here has 3 different sections where you can put morning, noon, and night meds in each section and be on the go if you know you're only going to be gone for one day. And they just slide right in here like this, then you can lock it. If you want to take everything separately, you could just take one out. Now, if you did just want to take this right here, you could take it just like this, so that way you don't have to have all the extra layers. So I really like the fact that it's customizable for whatever your needs are. You can fit it for whatever you need to take with you. This is also great if you need to have storage in the bathroom, or if you needed to have medical supplies in your bathroom as well too. It's a great way to keep everything all in one area, but for myself, for home health care, this makes it so easy to take my supplies with me. As a therapist, I would definitely say check this out.